name is Andrew Chung.
And I'm Rodolfo Ramirez.
We're the founders of Pocket Square Clothing.
It all started in our dorm room. We actually went in half on a GQ subscription.
Ironically, it was a $5 thing, but we were like, $2.50 each. We shared it, I'd read it, I'd pass it to him, he'd read it.
I don't think our parents ever envisioned us getting into the fashion industry. So to say the least, they weren't the happiest when we first told them, hey, we're gonna start a clothing company. Our moms, when they barely immigrated, their first job at Seamstress, they know how hard the industry is. And they were discouraging us from actually starting.
Originally, we were like, oh yeah, we could do it. 2 months in, we were like, well, we don't know how to sew. We don't know where to source fabric. We know nothing about the industry, and we have zero money to start a brand. And so for us, it was like, okay, we're starting at ground zero, but you know what? That's something that's actually quite special because we'll be able to learn everything from the ground up. The first year we started, it was very small. The fourth year, we broke 250,000 and continued to grow every year after that. "2020 went from the best year to what we suspected would be the worst year.
All of our business disappeared overnight almost. And Rodolfo and I had a conversation when we got shut down in the beginning, saying, hey, we should really look into producing PPE for the hospitals and for the healthcare workers. We're in a shortage. You can't buy it anywhere.
We received an email in our inbox from SwatchOn, and it says, we're here to help in the creation of PPE, and we're going to offer this product at cost, essentially, which basically made it feasible for us to buy all of the elastic, to buy the nose wire, to buy the filters that we put inside of our masks.
SwatchOn was the only supplier who was still open and at the time could deliver within a week.
Our employees were the real heroes for coming back and seeing the need that there was for face masks. And for us, that's something that we're eternally grateful for. Our parents have been extremely integral to the overall growth of the brand. Our mom is our production manager at the factory. So I know for a fact that it comes full circle for her because she wanted to be a fashion designer when she was growing up, but unfortunately wasn't able to. She tells me on a regular basis that she's living through our vision and what it is that we've created.
One of the major drivers for our brand in the very beginning was actually the community that was attracted to our brand.
LA culture is at the center of what it is that we do. As you delve into the brand, as you continue to kind of learn more about it, you'll see all kinds of different faces that you are not necessarily accustomed to seeing in fashion. And again, that was not intentional. We looked around at our immediate community and that's who we were seeing. And that's who we were seeing enjoy fashion. And so we wanted to essentially create a platform for that voice. Part of the process of getting a custom suit is getting something that's so personal to you that it becomes part and parcel to who you are and your personality.
When we mean custom, we mean truly custom. We have over 2,000 different options in terms of designing a suit. That's how many different details you can adjust on just a jacket and a pair of pants. And not only that, we have over 2,000 fabrics you can choose from, but also to add these little details that make that suit one of a kind, something that you can't find off the rack anywhere.
In now running the operations at the factory, SwatchOn has been an amazing resource for us. It is the absolute best and perfect platform for sourcing fabrics. I think in fashion and apparel, anything is really a possibility. We essentially teach the rules to our clients and then we say, now that you know the rules, let's break all of them.